A lot of people think I take a long holiday. That's not true. Actually, I wish I could get ready-made scripts, which I could just go out and shoot. I want to be only a director and just make films. But unfortunately, we don't get scripts. I do read scripts, but I don't feel very happy with what I get. So, and I'm very scared of going on the sets with a script I don't like. So the process of writing actually takes, I write with Abhijaat, but we take a year and a half to write a film, then another year or little more to make. So the general gap has been 2.5 to 3 years between all my films. This one took a little longer than that. It's been 5 years now. But the whole thing is that I can't go on the sets with a script which I'm not happy with, which is not unusual in nature, which is not unique in nature. Because everything has been done. I don't want to make another film which is... See, after I made MBBS, I'll tell you, somebody told me, पहली film तो आप बहुत सालों से लिख रहे होते हैं. Second film is always a challenge. And I got really scared. I said, oh God, will I ever be able to write my second film? And I was hunting for stories. So I didn't take a single holiday. And the film was going to many places. I was getting invites from many places to visit festivals. And I was supposed to go to Australia at some festival. And I said, no, I can't go. I can't waste my time. I have to sit and work. So religiously, I would get up every morning, take a walk, think about the film, and literally work 10 to 12 hours every day on the script. I said, I have to make sure that my second film is not a disaster.
Exactly.
No, I'll tell you what, Aamir is a joy to work with. And I'm not saying it, I'm not being diplomatic. Because it's very easy to work with somebody who understands cinema. He's a producer, director, actor. And somebody who understands cinema, it's always easy to work with. I don't get satisfied with the takes. So, 1 take hoga, 7 take honge, 10 take honge, 10th take I would say, now I got whatever. But an actor would still walk up to me and says, no, I think I have something within me which I can do better. So I would say, yeah, please do it. So that would happen with Aamir, with Anushka, with everyone. Say, can we do one more? Can we do one more? So I should give everybody the freedom to do what. Exactly. So I actually prefer a team which gets involved rather than a team which is not involved and I'll say, okay, it's not interfering. No, I need an involved team. So Aamir is an involved actor, which is a delight to work with.
Wow.
और ये इंटरव्यू होते हैं, कुछ फ़ोटोज़ ले लिए जाते हैं, तो मुझे नहीं पता था मैं कवर पे हूँ. आज जब सुबह पहुँचा तो मुझे पता लगा कि मुझे कवर पे डाल दिया गया है. तो ऑब्वियसली अच्छा लगता है और ऐसा कुछ होता है तो मैं ये ले जाके मैं अपनी माँ को देना चाहता हूँ. मुझे लगता है उन्हें ज़्यादा खुशी होगी. मेरी शक्ल ही ऐसी हो गया, मैं फ़नी लगने लगा हूँ. वो हम लोग काम कर रहे थे, उस बीच में कहीं फ़ोटो लिया गया. बिल्कुल देखिए लग रहा हूँ ऐसा कि थका हुआ बेचारा, आँखें ऐसी काम के बीच में. पीके अब हम आजकल प्रीमियर्स तो होते नहीं, प्रीमियर्स लोगों ने करने बंद कर दिए. तो ट्रायल्स होंगे. हम अभी अगले 2-4 दिनों में लोगों को दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे, जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, फैमिली है, इंडस्ट्री के जो लोग हैं. तो सब लोग को हम कॉल्स तो करेंगे, फिर देखें जो फ्री होंगे वो आएंगे देखने.